Okay, here's a quick demonstration to show you how well a milling setup on a metal lathe can work. Got a piece of scrap, pretty hard steel in there. It's medium to high carbon content. 20mm replaceable carbide tip mill in an ER32 collet system. And I'll take I've done a facing cut, and I'll take 1.5 mm off in one pass. You can see actually at about 2000 RPM. Well, there you go, 1.5 mm, just like that. No shake, no rattle, no roll. You could tell that it was working pretty hard doing that. It's quite a deep cut. And if you try that on your little hobby mill, it would probably shake like crazy. Doing it in the lathe, it is immensely rigid if you set it up correctly. And the overhang from the cutter to the bearing is stuff all, so you're not going to get any flex or shake there. You've got a massive bed compared to, say, a lot of the small hobby mills. And if you lock down the carriage, lock down your vertical mill slide and just feed it in with the cross slide, there shouldn't be any shake at all, really. So as you can see, yeah, it works very well. And for occasional milling where you can't really justify having a full decent sized mill, I mean, I can't justify that for a little bit of milling that I do, but as all my milling is in steel and not aluminium, I had to have a setup that would do it, you know, quite capably. And quite frankly, the little mills I looked at just didn't impress me one bit. So there you go, you can do it on the lathe and it can do a good job. And if you only want to do a bit of milling and you don't mind swapping over the tool post and pulling on a mill slide, yeah, it's a good way to go.